You can even hear the water moving. Can you hear it? What's up YouTube, Manuel here and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today we're here at Secret Fresh because our good friend DJ Big Boy Cheng allowed us to do our personal review on this special sneakers. So let's go! First of all, I would like to thank DJ Big Boy Cheng for allowing me to do a special review on his sneakers. This is actually not my pair. This is DJ Big Boy Cheng's personal pair. This is the Air Max 97, but in collaboration with MSCHF. This is actually dubbed as the Jesus shoe. So guys, these sneakers are actually a collaboration from a company called MSCHF based in Brooklyn. So they thought of doing this because they've seen a lot of collaborations already, and they wanted to make a statement so that they could really show you guys how good they are in terms of doing a collaboration with any sneakers. So here it is. So now guys, what's special about these sneakers? First of all, this sneakers was copied from the silhouette of the Air Max 97, so from Nike. So the 97 is actually one of the most popular Air Maxes of all time. They also had a collaboration with Undefeated, collaboration with the most recent one was the Sean Wotherspoon. They also used the Air Max 97. So this one, what's special about this is that they say you can walk on water with these sneakers. As you can see, there is water inside this air bubble unit of this Air Max 97. So from what I've read, there's about 60 cc's of water inside this air bubble, and actually the water is very special because it's not just your typical or normal water. It came from the river of Jordan. So guys, let's look in closer to these sneakers and check out what the materials they use for this particular sneakers. So the upper is actually made out of premium leather, as you can see, and it has a mesh lining on the top. So your tongue is your typical Air Max 97, but what's special about it is that there's a crucifix in the middle, actually on both shoes. As you can see, a steel or metal crucifix that is actually connected to the laces. Now on the lateral side, as you can see, it's just your plain white Air Max 97. However, it has the writing over here. So this is from Matthew 14 verse 25. Then you will have this silver swoosh over here on top of this plastic mesh. On the back you will see INRI, which means King of the Jews. And actually on the other sneakers you will see MSCHF, which is the name of the company that collaborated with Nike. Now going back on the tongue, as you can see on top over here, there is sort of like a blood. So this simplifies the blood of Christ. over here, and on the bottom you have this silver swoosh once again. The laces are actually just your plain typical white rope laces. The sock liner is just plain white, soft cotton, but the insole, as you can see, is in red with the branding of MSCHF and INRI. Now this insole is actually very special because it's actually 100% wool, and it actually referenced as the papal slippers. And the other thing that is good about this is that this wool insole smells like frankincense. Now on the midsole, this is where it gets really special. As you can see, the rubber is just your typical. So now moving on to the midsole, this is where it gets really special. As you can see, it's basically just your typical midsole of the Air Max 97. However, you will see the water inside. The water is actually, as mentioned earlier, this water came from the river of Jordan, and they just put coloring so that it will be about this color, this light turquoise color. You can really hear it when you shake it, that there's water inside. So yeah, this sneakers is really special. So that made this sneakers really special because you literally can walk on water with this sneakers. I just don't know how the hell did they injected the water inside without making it spill off. So I'm really amazed how they put the water inside. I'm not really sure how they did it though, so I don't see any entry point of the water. Probably they injected it. So but anyway, the water is inside, it's real. If I shake it, you can hear it. Again, there's a 60cc of inside this sneakers. Now on the outsole, you can see it's just your typical Air Max 97 outsole. So yeah, that is the MSCHF collaboration with Nike Jesus shoes. Now the original retail price of this sneakers was at $1,425 US, and it was sold out in minutes. If you want to buy a pair of these sneakers, you can actually still get it from StockX, and I think DJ Big Boy Cheng also got this pair from StockX. If I'm not mistaken, the price of these sneakers ranges from $3,000 US to $4,000 US already. So guys, is this sneakers worth it? I mean, if you're a collector, I think if I'm not mistaken, they only made about 20 to 30 pairs of this in the world. So definitely this is a collector's edition. If you're really into collecting sneakers, definitely this is really rare collectible. But if you're just a normal collector, I don't really think you should get this one because it's too expensive. I mean, there's other sneakers more expensive than these, but honestly, the only special thing about these are the water that was injected inside. Other than that, I don't think there is anything special. Although there's a lot of simple hits on these sneakers that made it really special, like this crucifix and the special insole. So guys, that's about it. This is the very special sneakers, and again, thank you so much DJ Big Boy Cheng for letting me do my personal review on this special bad boys. So guys, do you see the sneakers at my back? These are actually the wall of sneakers we have here at RIF Manila, here at Secret Fresh Gallery. So actually they are selling all these sneakers, and the prices of these sneakers are actually not that bad. The prices of these sneakers are actually comparable to the prices on StockX without the shipping. So imagine guys, it's like the same price as the sneakers on StockX, but you don't have to pay for shipping. So this is a very good deal. So if you're interested in any of the sneakers that they have here at RIF Manila, go ahead and drop by at Secret Fresh so that you could check out all these amazing sneakers, and maybe you can buy one of them. Actually, there's a lot of sneakers I wanted on this wall, but I do have a lot of sneakers already and I don't want to add more to my collection. But however, if given the chance, I would definitely cop a lot of pairs from these, especially this one. I like this sneakers. It's actually only at 18,000 pesos. So guys, if you're interested to have these Black Royals, definitely it's really good. The size of these is size 12. So if you have big feet, you can get it from Rift Manila here at Secret Fresh. They also have the Obsidians over here. This one is a size 10. So 15,000 pesos only, guys. Obsidian. They also have the blue tints over here. This one is size 10 as well, but this goes for 30,000 pesos. You have the black static. Oh, actually this is not the normal black static. This is the static reflective. I'm not sure if you could see. These are actually the static reflective of this Easy. You also have the glow in the dark here. So guys, I suggest you drop by here at Secret Fresh and check out Rift Manila because they have a lot of awesome sneakers. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Until next time.